Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be pan frying cereal with milk. This bowl will be for our final product. Our special guest is
DJ Spoon!
Let's turn the stove on and put it to 7. Oh, 7. Gonna make the cereal toasty before adding the milk. Now we will use DJ Spoon to mix it around. Now that it's have a good stir, let's put in the milk. DJ Spoon. I am spinning the cereal around. I think it's finished. Let's pour it in the bowl. This is my pan-fried cereal. Let's give it a go. So soft, warm and gooey. Personally, I would try this again. I give this a 9 out of 10. Bye guys. Make sure to leave your suggestions down in the comments.